Yeah, you can try this one. Yeah, just get around. Yeah, you can crush the leaves, or yeah, you can crush the roots also. Yeah, yeah, there is a rhizome there. Crush, crush, crush. Yeah. Itunya di apa, di crush itunya, yang rhizome-nya, yang bagian yang kuat, bagian yang itu, nah yang besarnya, nah itu harum itu. Ya, hah? So that one is bangle. We call bangle. The other leaves is blabetan. Yeah, blabetan, bangle, bangle. I will explain you what the function later. Yeah, crush, crush. Yeah, take it and crush. How about smell? Yeah, you crush this one. Crush. Chuck. Crush, crush. Okay. Yep. Yes, crush it. Yeah. Yes, the blabatan. That's right. That one is bangle. Bangle. Oh, blabatan. This one, if you check into the internet, ayapanati, ayapanati. This is original from Peru. Yeah, Peru, Latin America. So in England or in London, they sell it ayapanati. So to make the blood become the viscosity of the blood is become reduced, become high. Yeah, blood, blood pressure. You can try that one. Berase. Okay, so I will explain about my research with my friends in Mula Warman University. So this is the content, introduction, and drug potency from forest, cosmetic potency from forest, and also the conclusion. So Indonesia is one of the 3 countries within the mega biodiversity. So another Indonesia is Brasilia, and also we call Pantai Gading is Côte d'Ivoire. I forget the English name. Yes, that one. Yeah, 3 of countries they have the mega biodiversity. You know, Indonesia has 17 islands, 17,000 islands, huge island, very many islands. 12% of mammalia. So 12% mammalia is in Indonesia, around the world. 16% is reptiles and amphibian. 17% is birds. 25% is fish. And 10% of plants, and Dipterocarpaceae, of course, Dipterocarpaceae, and 25,000 flowers. So you can see here, this is the endemic fruit in Indonesia. No fruits other country or sometimes, yeah. And also endemic fruit in Kalimantan, Borneo Island. No fruits in Jawa, no in Sumatra, only we can find in Kalimantan. You can see this one, many kind of fruits, or usually in January, February, and March is around here, many fruits in the forest. So you can find a wild fruit. Sometimes we can meet orangutan inside, or the beer, honey beer, honey beer. Sometimes attack people inside, sometimes. Just very rare. So you can see here there is many kind of fungi and many kind of birds here. So in the forest, many products we can get from forest. One, the material from forest is wood and also non-wood products. Wood and non-wood. The other one is services. It looks like forest tourism. We can go to the forest just for having fun or something. That's forest tourism. These 2 kind of forest products can increasing economic values and also welfare for local community or local people. For example, sometimes in the deep of the forest, people just, when they want to get some money, they just go to the forest, take some fruits or take some animals and sell it to the people, other people, so they can get the money. Yeah, that's why very important to, when we want to conserve the forest, we must also to think how to increase the local people life, welfare and money. So if they don't have money, they can go to the forest and cutting the forest illegally sometimes. So yeah, it's important to find out what kind of wood or non-wood products can sell by people, increasing the economic value. So if they have money, so they can serve or conserve the forest. It's very important. Also with the orangutan, yeah. So sometimes if the people don't have money, so they can go to the forest, take the animal, whatever they can sell to the market, illegally or legal. Yeah, that's the problem. That's why it is important increasing the economic values, welfare for the local community. so the forest can be conserved. Yeah, that's why I and my friends in the laboratory, we try to digging to find out what kind of non-wood forest product can sell it with high value, high price. So the people in the forest or local community can get the money without cutting the trees, without destroy the forest. Yeah, we are looking for that one. So as I mentioned in before, so one of the products from the forest is non-wood forest product. So our government state that some of non-wood products from plants, there is 8 groups, 8 category, and then this is non-wood from animals, there is 3 categories. This is non-wood from plants like resin, essential oil, fatty oil, fruits, kemiri oil, palm sugar. Also the 4th one, tannin. The 5th is a medicinal plant. Medicinal plant and also flowers, wild flowers like orchid. Palm and bamboo is including rattan, also alkaloid kina and others, main kind of types here. So this is the non-wood forest product that already put in the regulation by government. So the people can take by permission, sometimes actually by permission, but many people do not buy permission because they need hurry up money to buy something to send the kids to the school. Something, yeah. It's like that kind of livelihood. So my team in Labo, we try to find out because in the forest sometimes the local people has the knowledge, indigenous knowledge or traditional knowledge. These leaves can be used to remedy some disease, or this wood or this bark can disease can relieve or can remedy some diseases. That's why it's important to prove or to validate by scientific proof. So this is true or this is not related with their claim. So it's very important. So in Indonesia, there is 3 category, three groups of traditional drugs from the plants. This one is jamu. I think you already know, yeah? Jamu. So jamu, one is jamu. The second one is standardized herbs. The third one is phytopharmaca. In Indonesia, when the medicine is called jamu, this is based on the traditional medicine in the local people. We can call jamu. Without scientific data, it's okay. I can sell something with categorized jamu. Yeah. But if we sell it into the drugstore, it must be there is a government permission. But if we not sell in drugstores, so sometimes traditionally they can sell it. Yeah. But with the good practice of how to make it, it's very hygiene or clean production, etc. The second one is standardized herb. This second categorized must be there is evidence with in vivo study in animals. The second one must be in an already validated with animal tests. That's the second one. The third one is phytopharmaca. This is the high level. Must be doing the test in vivo study in human. So before we claim this is phytopharmaca drugs, so must be tested into the human. So this is based on the Indonesian drugs institute or drugs government by government. So in America they call DEA, DEA, drug, that's a drug regulation, regulation institute. This is in Indonesia. So this is some examples that already sell it into the drugstore, but based on the plant, based on the jamu, or based on the animal test or human test. But basically, from extract of the plants. For example, this is tolak linu. This is ginger, and also some herbs is combined. The extract of the some herbs combined. This is also bodrex. This is headache. Yeah, they combine with some herbs. Diapet. This is guava plants. I think there is in Japan there is a tea, right? Tea from guava leaves. Yeah, I have drink it in Fukuoka. Guava tea. In Indonesia, the guava leaves, the young leaves is we can eat directly if we have diarrhea. Tokidoki, ungkos mas. You can use this one. Yeah? The young leaves of guava. That's why they already sell this one, diapet. If you going to toilet many times, just if you can search, there is a guava trees, you can eat the leaves. But if you can find the drugstore, just find this one, diapet. Yeah. Kansaki Sensei, maybe you know Tsutsumi Sensei? Yes. When I asked, when maybe 10 years ago to Bandung, Tsutsumi Sensei eats very spicy food, and then he went to toilet many times. I asked him, just eat this one. And he ate this one and then become, reduced. Not every time going to toilet. Yeah. So another one, this one, Resikda, and also this is for coughing, Herbakov, and also this is the other one. So now in Indonesia, trying to elevate the traditional knowledge from the people, and then using the herbs or plants to make it in drugs, like this kind of drugs. So based on the Padua, this is a scientist, there is some selection for raw material for drugs and cosmetic. There is two categories. One is based on the people traditional knowledge, and the second is screening with bioassay. Yeah. There is two methods for selection raw material for drugs and cosmetic. This is by the Padua 1999. So this is just I got some information from some papers. This is medicinal plants in Indonesia, reported by Rosita. There is 1,300 plants already well known in Indonesia for medicine. She was recorded by interview, by checking into scientific report in Indonesia. So this one, based on this is already sell into the market, especially by Malaysian people. Yeah. Actually, this plant, I think we can find, Pak Erwin, pasak bumi, Ericoma langifolia. We can find here, yeah. When you go to the forest next, so you can try to find this one. Very small like this one, but sometimes we cannot take out the roots because it's very, very deep inside the soil. That's why we call pasak bumi. Pasak bumi means it's going deep to the earth. Yeah. The roots in Borneo Island said the roots of this plant is natural Viagra. Yeah, natural Viagra. This one in Malaysia. Yeah, in Malaysia they call tongkat ali. Sometimes now Malaysia also make a coffee and mix with the roots of this one. No side effect, but fourth effect they said. I don't know what's the meaning they said that one. Yeah? This is based on the traditional knowledge, because Dayak people, the traditional people in Kalimantan, Borneo, between Indonesia and also Malaysia, they have Dayak people. So they believe that roots of this one can become a natural payakra. That's the based on the traditional knowledge. This is another samples. This is langsat. The skin of the fruit, this one, the yellow one, can be used for typhosa, typhus diseases, and also malaria. So when they get malaria, they can get this one, skin of the this one, and also the bark this one, and sometimes the seed. It's very bitter, very bitter. When I eat this one, the fruits, the flesh, sometimes I eat the seed. It's very bitter. Yeah, the traditional people use this one. And other Dayak people in central Kalimantan use the skin of the fruit for cosmetic. For cosmetic. They take this one, the leaves, and boil it with water, boil with water, and take the extract, and they crush it, and crush it the rice, and then mix with the extract of the skin, and then put into the skin. Yeah, put all the skin in the paste. So it can be smoothing the skin and also removing the flak, the black one into the skin. Yeah, they use that one. That's why some company, this one Sari Ayu company, the boss of the Sari Ayu company went to Central Kalimantan and see some woman using the traditional cosmetic put into the face, and then the director of this company discussed with what kind of the plants you use, and then the woman, I used langsat skin, and then after going back to Jakarta, the company buy all the fruits in Kalimantan and Sumatra. This one, yes, they buy all, and then they extracted the leaves, the skin of this one, and using the extract make a product like this one. They sell it now, become product of cosmetic based on the traditional knowledge of the people. Okay, this is my experiment with my friends. So I use, this is also based on the traditional people. The name of the plant is tahongai, Clean Hopia hospita. Based on some people in Sulawesi, these plants can be used for, I forgot the scientific name in medical, but if the disease is cannot curing, so it become cancer, liver cancer. The cancer, our liver become yellow, and then the skin become yellow. I forgot the medical terms in the liver is become big. The liver is become big, and then sometimes affected the skin become yellow, became very hard. Cirrhosis. After bigger, and then without getting help from doctor become very hard. Katai. Yeah, the liver is katai. Very hard, and then after that it become cancer. Yeah, cancer, liver cancer. Yeah. Yeah, cirrhosis. Yeah, liver cirrhosis. So I have a friend. He's a priest in the church. The doctor already said to him, "So your life is already 3 months." Yeah, 3 months, because you already get cirrhosis. Yeah, that's why the doctor said you must rest, take some rest 3 months, because your life become 3 months. He went going back to the Sulawesi Island, and then his relatives gives him this one, Glenhopia hospita. The leaves is boiling, and then the water is drink every day. He drinks every day. In the morning, in the afternoon, and in the night, when he drinks 3 times per day. After 3 months, he's, hey, I don't die. I'm still alive. And then he's going back to Samarinda. Going back to Samarinda to the hospital, and then the doctor is very surprised. Why? You're still alive. What are you doing? And then the priest is telling the doctor, I drink this kind of leaves. And after that, the doctor checking again the blood and all the things. The doctor said, your blood is negative from usually with the cirrhosis, our blood become positive of GPT or something, yeah. GPT plus is positive if the liver is getting problem. So when the check is negative, no plus anymore, the doctor is become very surprised. And after that, my friends is calling me, because at the time I just came back to Kyushu University, just came back here and doing some research. And then, Enos, please doing research this kind of trees, leaves. It's very useful for me. I don't die because because I'll drink this one. Yeah. So I got project from my government. So I did some experiment. So these leaves shows some good antioxidant, and also I using HepG2. HepG2 cell cancer is a liver cancer, and then I put the extract is killing 80% cancer cell line of HepG2. Maybe it's correlated with this kind of drugs. Yeah, this extract. And I tried to make a patent, but unfortunately Chinese people already make a patent this one as a liver cancer drug. Some of the compound inside. So I did with Shimizu Sensei. So I found some isolated compound. This one, this is camperol. This is eleuterol. Camperol shows antioxidant activity and also shows the kill the cancer, liver cancer, but not so high to killing the cell, cancer cell. But it's maybe it's related with these 2 kind of compound. Other compound must be shows the liver cancer cytotoxicity on cancer cell line. So this is based on the traditional knowledge. This is by screening assay. So I did with Professor Irawan. This is we went to Kutai forest, West Kutai. So we collect 12 species, and then we did some experiment antibacterial and also antioxidant. So some of the plants traditionally can be used for antibacterial. Yeah. This is another one. This is easy to find here. This here, yeah. I collect with my student. This is 7 Makaranga species in here in this forest. We collect 7 Makaranga. This one, this is very big size. This is Gigantea. This is Tanarius. This is Bachanus. This is Trichocarpa. So I isolate this one, Gliasperin A. It shows cancer cell. It can be killing some cancer cell line, and also can be used for skin whitening agent. This is inhibit melanin. Melanin in skin. So inhibit this kind of compound. So more leaves of Frionosa, Tanarius, and also Triloba. So we can find this kind of compound, then inhibit the melanin. So for Japanese, maybe no need no need the skin whitening because already white. But Indonesian people like this one, yeah, the woman needs some skin whitening agent to make brightening or whitening the skin. So this is the other one. This is the Russia japonica. So the fruits is small like pepper. Yeah, pepper. Yeah. So the fruits is but it's very bitter. When I take this the fruits, and then the Dayak people, Enos, try this one. I just eat, wow, it's very, almost one day is, the bitter is not reduced. I eat many another to reduce the bitter one, but still in my tongue. Yeah? It's very bitter. Brucia japonica. Yeah. Yeah, we did some experiment with some cancer cell in the moth cancer cell. So it can be killing about 50%, yeah, about 40 to 50% the cell, cancer cell. Carcinoma, this one. Squamous cell carcinoma. So this is the other one, sample from Kutai Kartanegara. This is 10 species. We collecting, and also we did the antioxidant and antibacterial to check whether this plant can be used for medicine. So if it's successfully, so they can plant it near the forest, and then they can get the money. So this is another one. So yeah, you already used this one, right? Try to check this one. So I did the experiment with my friends in medical faculty. So it reducing the cholesterol in the blood. We use human test. So around 30 people drink the tea. Yeah, we make tea this one. We take the rhizome and then make a tea, and then every day we consume until 2 months, and then we check the blood. Yeah, it reducing the cholesterol, especially the bad cholesterol. Yeah, that's why I always be like this one, Kansaki Sensei. I mix with the honey. So after crush, and then I usually do this. So usually in Indonesia, Kansaki Sensei, when we go to the party, wedding party or birthday party, so we eat many kind of meat, and then sometimes people worry about the cholesterol. But I eat all the things, all the things, because I every day 3 times I just check. No worry, no worry. When we going to the party, oh, giuniku, goat, maton, no, cholesterol. But it's okay, take it, because I drink this one. Yeah, this is reducing the cholesterol. Also, I eat butaniku, delicious. Yeah, very delicious, butaniku. I can eat all the things. Yeah. So this is another one. This is ferns. This is plants, ferns, very small one. So yeah, we screening also many kind of ferns. So we did some experiment, antibacterial also, and also antioxidant. So it's also can be used for, next future can be used for drugs or cosmetic. Usually this one, the red one, maybe is many this one here. You can find here. So Dayak people, when they go to the forest and find the red one like this one, this is very young one, young leaves, they will take it and then they make vegetables. They boil it and then put some spicy, and it's very delicious. The water after we boil is become red. Yeah, it's very delicious one. This one. This is the other experiment. This is we can find here. This one also here. This is Hyptis capitata. This one also can be used for antibacterial and also some of the cytotoxic. It's also very good extract, and then but need some experiment to prove it. This one, beside the plants, I also doing some research about this one. stingless bee. Without, what in Japanese, Kansaki sensei, without sting. Harinashi, okay, harinashi. Yeah. This is harinashian. Harinashian. Okay, try this one. Normal honey is only sweet, but this one is sweet and sour. But sometimes, some season with the flower, bitter flower, so it's become sweet, sour, and bitter. Mitsurindo. Yeah, yeah. He went to, yeah, he came to Kyoto University. Yes. Yeah, matching, matching. Mitsurindo. Yes, this one. Yeah, that one. Mitsurindo. Very expensive, ne? Yeah, 250 grams is 7,000 yen, right? Yeah, 7,000 yen. 7,000 yen. Because Mr. Kambayashi-san, yeah, Kambayashi-san tell the custom is very high, 50% the custom tax. Yeah. That's why it's very expensive. Yeah, pot honey. How is the taste? Right? Mm. So in Kalimantan, in Borneo, we have 41 species. So this one, I went to some area in Kalimantan, East Kalimantan, and this one. We found about 12 species already keeping by the farmer. Yeah, they make a farmer of bee like this one. You can see this one, this is very different. The honey is, the bee make a honey like a ball. They put inside the ball and then, yeah, it's very different with the normal bee. The small size is only 4 or 5 millimeters, very small. There is, under this building, I saw many in the, yeah, you can see it later. It's very small one. So, yeah, we did some experiment, antioxidant. So, mostly antioxidant is 70%. I compare with vitamin C, this one. Vitamin C, when we compare, is the antioxidant is 90%. But this honey, already 70% to 80%. Sometimes 90%, depending on the season. Yeah. So I don't need any more vitamin C, just this one, because this is already, yeah, yeah. This one is 7, the lower is 60%, the highest is 90 or sometimes 80%. But this one is 90, yeah, 90%. Yeah. So this area, this is my student, PhD student, did this experiment. He collecting some the same species from different area. So you can see this one, the honey is also different. The color is, this is the red, very red, or near black. Or see, this is brown, this is orange, very different, different color and also different taste. This is the Itama honey. So when Itama bee we put here in this heterogen, many kind of trees, so become very sour and bit sweet. But if this bee, Itama bee, put into the Kalyandra vegetation, just one vegetation, it's become sweet, and when we go to the throat, it's sour. It's very bit sour. Dominant, very sweet. Yeah, it's a unique one. Now I'm doing that experiment with some student. Why? What kind of the inside? The antioxidant in Kalyandra vegetation is stable, 90%. Itama B. But when the mix of the trees just going down, sometimes 60%, sometimes 70%, sometimes 40%. But only in Kalyandra is stable, 80%, 90%. Then very sweet. Now Kambaya Sisang and Mitsurindo asking to buy 50 kilos from Kalyandra honey of Itama. He will send, maybe next March or next April, he will asking me to send the honey. So yeah, this is I did with the project of Kansaki Sensei. I got some funding from Kyoto University and also doing the experiment with Professor Shimizu Kuniyoshi in Kyushu University. Yeah, I did the propolis and also bifolate and also honey. I checked with the cancer cell line, this one. So some of the honey and also propolis can kill the cancer cell, about 50 to 40%. So last time Kansaki Sensei visit Mulawarman, I bring him to some farmer. Maybe next going to the faculty, I put some colony of the bee. You can try directly to the colony just using some store. Yeah, just this one without sting. So the bees just going around, no touch, no touch us. Yeah, it's very useful bee. It's very kind bee. No venom, no toxic. It's very useful. Yeah, this is from propolis. I got this compound, shows breast cancer. It can be killing the breast cancer, about 60% to 40%. Yeah, this is the other one, fungi. Some fungi, edible fungi, we can find in the forest. So my student did this experiment and then doing some bioassay. So it's also antioxidant, good antioxidant, and also you can see what kind of inside the fungi, what kind of compound this one, the type. Yeah, this is my student in medical faculty doing this experiment, the oil of this, some of my students, they distillate these leaves. The leaves is distillation, and also the rhizome is distillate, and then take the oil. So the oil is used for antibacterial for mouth bacteria, because my student is in medical doctor, but specialist for teeth. So he used the oil for washing the mouth, washing the bacteria in the mouth. So yeah, to prevent the health of the teeth. Yeah. So this is the other one. We can find here also the red piper. Yeah, Piper crocatum. The leaves is red, so it's very, we can sometimes inside this forest we can find this plant. So it's killing the human breast cancer T45 B cells. This cell is dying because of this extract. So this one also from Monokwari, Papua. So I have a PhD student from Papua New Guinea, from Papua. So he collect 30 plants, 13 plants to doing the research about antioxidant, antibacterial, traditional plants from Papua. This one, I did the experiment with Professor Shimizu Sensei, this kind of honey for SARS-CoV, COVID. Yeah, we did this one. This is we published in Malaysian Medical Journal. So most of the honey is inhibit this one, ACE2 spike protein in our body to catching the COVID-19. So it can be inhibit the enzyme of the cell in our body, not to catch the virus, COVID virus. So this one. Next is this is for cosmetic. Cosmetic potency from the forest. So yeah, for example, like this one, yeah. If skin stain or freckles, of course we need some whitening agent. Like how to cure this one? Yeah, we need whitening agent, melanin biosynthesis inhibitor activity, or tyrosinase inhibitor activity, or anti-acne. Yeah, become like this one. Yeah, very charming guys. So this is tyrosinase enzyme, melanin mechanism. So if some tyrosinase enzyme here, this is the process mechanism. So going through this mechanism, we can produce melanin. Melanin in our skin can produce by this kind of biosynthesis in our body. So when we are going to the beach, usually it's very easy to get drunk, because some sun rays can be trigger the melanocyte stimulating hormone to increasing the melanin production. So sometimes we need the melanin inhibition, so our skin cannot become dark or become black. Yeah, I think I skipped this one. This is cell inside our skin producing melanin. This is based on some traditional people, the knowledge of the people near the forest. They have some plants that can be used for skin whitening agent or for skin care. Yeah, I and my friend, we check that one to validate, is it true or not? So some plants is, most of them is true. It's related with scientific data. what they use. For example, removing the freckles or black skin in the black spot in the skin. Yeah, it's validated with some scientific experiment. So this is also, I use screening. This is Artocarpus plants. We can find also here. So I screen about 64 species. So one of the good compounds is here. This is stilbene compound from the woods, not from the leaves, but from the woods. It can be used for skin whitening. Very potential for skin whitening agent. And this is the other one. This is Kome Kansaki Sensei, but I forget the Japanese name. Yeah. Yeah, the inside is, the inside is, there is a seed can be used, Yeah, they call coix, lacrima jobi. Yeah, the seed. You can find it. Yeah. In Japan, in Fukuoka, only one species, but we can find in Kalimantan, 4 species. Big size but small seed, small but big seed. Hatomoki. Yeah, Shimizu Sensei make sake from hatomoki. He joined with some company to make sake from hatomoki. Yeah, I think it's a success, but needs some other experiment to improving. Yeah. This one is we call Dayak onion, local people onion, but the smell is not like onion. Actually, this one is orchid, soil orchid, but the roots is look like onion, red onion. That's why they call Dayak onion, local onion. Yeah, this one is could be used for antibacterial and also for skin whitening agent. This kind of compound. The name is this one, Eleuterina americana. The first founded is American people. But the same species in here. Yeah, this is the another stingless bee from the propolis. I use propolis of stingless bee to find potentially for cosmetic. Last time, Professor Shimizu Sensei introducing me to company, Sumitomo company. They want to buy propolis to make cosmetic. Yeah, this is also potential for cosmetic agent. So this is another one. This is from Central Kalimantan. I collaborate with some friends there to collect traditional medicine, and then we are doing like for cosmetic and also antibacterial, anti-cancer, to check is it based on traditional people, is it true or not. This is manokwari. I skip this one. This is red onion from Java. I did the experiment. This is some compound, and then can be used also for cosmetic. Yeah, it's very potential also. Using the skin of the onion. When the onion is still fresh, so the quercetin, this is quercetin number 1, is very small amount. But if the become skin, dry skin, so the quercetin, this one, become very high content in the skin. the dry skin. Very good amount, high amount. Yeah, this one, this is belabetan, the dead leaves. Yeah, this is belabetan. This one is using by Dayak people mixed with the rice, kome. The leaves is crushing and then mixed with the rice. And then they put into the skin. Yeah. So I tried to validate. I found this one, the compound 7-methoxycoumarin, inhibit melanin melanin 50%. So it's also validated, but traditional people use is also related with a scientific experiment. It's proving. We compare with kojic acid. I think kojic sun is using by cow cosmetic. Yeah? Cow cosmetic using kojic acid for whitening agent. But arbutin using by Shiseido, right? Shiseido company in Japan using arbutin sang here for whitening agent. Mostly Shiseido product using arbutin for whitening agent. But cow cosmetic using, not cow, Kose, I'm sorry, Kose cosmetic using kojic acid, this one, for ingredient of whitening agent. So I compare with this one, the arbutin and also kojic. It's also very potential. I already did experiment with the Sari Ayu company in Jakarta. We did into the human to test the whitening agent. The whitening agent is very successful, and also for moisturizing skin is also affected to the skin of woman using this extract, leaf of extract. This is mangrove trees. There is one of the village in near the west Kalimantan. The people using these leaves for traditionally, they put into the also skin to removing the black the scar and also the black spot. So I tried to validate. So there is one compound, this one, luteolin, is also inhibit melanin. Melanin do not produce by this compound. So it also potential. And the fruits is delicious and eat by monkey. So monkey the fruits, and the people near the coastal in West Kalimantan using the leaves for, they sell it traditionally. There's very cheap. Yeah, last time I sent my student there asking some recipe, but they don't tell us. They don't want. But actually we want to elevate, want to take the extract and then collaborate with them to make a real cosmetic so the price can increase. But they don't want. Oh, no. This is our ancestor formula. Okay, no problem. Yeah, we just taking the leaves and try to formulate. Yeah. So this is the other one. So I will. This is the last one. Durio. Have you eat durian? You try? Did you? How was it? Good taste. Oh, the taste. Do you like durian? Durian. Oh, like. Oh, so yeah. When you went to Borneo, that's the different durian. Yeah, this is the lie. You ate, right, in Idea Borneo, the orange one. Yeah, orangey. This is orangey. This is Durio cutagensis. The smell is not so bad, yeah. Yeah, you take this one, yeah. 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 Lie. We call lie. Yeah, lie. The name is Durio cutagensis. But the durian, the big size, Thailand make it the big size, or now it's also durian season in the road. So that's why it's Durio cibeteus, different species. That one, Shimizu Sensei like that one. he ate a lot. I went with Shimizu Sensei in Padang, Sumatra Island. So Shimizu Sensei eat four durian, cibeteus, not this one. Yeah? Oishi, yeah, the big size. Very, yeah. So I did the experiment. The yellow one can be used for skin whitening agent. It inhibits melanin, this one, the extract. But do not using the very sharp one. Yeah, just, it will be scarred. Yeah. Yeah. Use this one, the fruits, the flesh. Yeah, this is potential for berapa kemarin, Pak? How much this one? How much? One of these fruits. Usually 20,000 rupiah. Yeah, 20,000. 20,000 is nihakuyan. Yeah, nihakuyan. So this one, belabetan. Last time I make this traditional cosmetic with my student. I make like this one. The inside is I mix inside. There is inside is kome, dry kome. I mix with the extract of these leaves. Actually, one of my students, they want to make sell. They want to sell it. Yeah, she want to sell it to the market using in the campus. They make it in the campus in the laboratory and they sell. It already running well, but suddenly my student fathers die. So he's the first son, the number one of So he must stop and then try to find another job, which is the high salary. So because she has other sister, young sister, so she must find some money. So actually, already running well, but not the money is not so high. So she quit to doing this one. So this is Lolang. Lolang is a Dayak language, meaning beautiful. Yeah, Lolang. Yeah, we make it the cosmetic Lolang, so it means beautiful. It's a Dayak language. Yeah, in Indonesia we have 300 or 400 languages. Yeah, around 400 languages. Erwin is from North Kalimantan. Is from Sulawesi Island. Different language. Different language. Tabemono. Different foods. Yeah, different. Most of the North Kalimantan makanan asin atau asin. Yeah, salty food. But west in my island is spicy food. Jawa people more like sweet food. Yeah, that's why my wife is Jawa people. When he wants to make spicy food, he put sugar. I said no, because Sulawesi people like a very spicy one. So different taste also. Different island, different taste, different food. Yeah. Sometimes when we go to Jawa, sweet tabemono, sweet food. But when we go to East Indonesia, Sulawesi, Maluku, Papua, is salty and very spicy. Very spicy. Sumatra Island is salty food. So different taste. Okay, I think Finish? Yeah. Yeah, this is some conclusion. Biodiversity from tropical rainforest have potential for drugs and also cosmetic, and can be elevated. Yeah, need some further experiment to get the drugs or cosmetic to increasing the local economy of people. So also need collaboration to do something. So for example, this one, I have some farmer collaboration with faculty. So yeah, sometimes they asking us to doing the experiment. So we do the experiment, for example, antibacterial, antioxidant. When we get the data, we give them, and then they put the data, antioxidant, high antioxidant, and then the price is going up. Yeah, the price is going up. And when the customer, why the price is going up? Because it's healthy and high antioxidant, antibacterial, and something. But other price, no data, so the price is still low. Actually, this one liter is 300 rupiahs, 300,000 rupiahs, around Sampiaku, yeah. Zanzeye, oh, so yes, Zanzeye, 1 liter, yes, 1 liter. But if with the data, antioxidant has become 5,000 yen, 5,000 and 60,000, 6,000 yen. Yeah, 12, twofold high price. Yeah, the price is, yeah. That's why they sometimes come to Labo, discuss, and then we asking them not take the honey every month. I asking them just take honey every 2 months or 3 months. So the water content is become a bit lower. Usually this one is look like water, right? It's 30% of water. But if 3 months harvesting, so it become 28 or 27. So the standard, national standard is 27.5 of the moisture content. Yeah. But the normal honey is 22, Kansaki Sensei, 22% of water. But this one, stingless bee, is 27.5. Yeah, when we harvest first time, so it's about 30 to 35. Yeah, it's very high content. Every month, yeah, it will be high content. But 2 months or 3 months harvesting, so it will be reducing the water content. So it will be not fast fermented, because if very high water content, so it will be fermented and become very sour. Yeah, not the sweet is become reducing because it's fermentation, right? Yeah, that's why I'm asking the farmer to buy refrigerator. Yeah, to keep the temperature, and then sometimes open the cup, so it will be reduce the water content. Yeah, and prevent the fermentation. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's all. Thank you. Yeah, this is Miss Surindo. Thank you very much. Arigato.
Saya, nama saya Takato. It's a sensitive question, but do Indonesian people want to make skin whitening even before the Netherlands comes? So the whitish is even in the even in the era without any white people, only in Indonesia, people in Indonesia, Indonesian people want to white.
Okay, good question. So, the traditional knowledge is already far away. Yeah? I think the traditional knowledge is already since they in Indonesia, so they using. But now, yeah, recently because many social media, they want looking for beautiful and very charming and very what they call glowing, glowing. So now many Indonesian people wants to be like very whitening because some of the once is this social media attracting, yeah, they become wants to be whitening. Yeah, not correlated with because Netherlands comes be white, but now is before is not like this until now, but now is many people using cosmetic to become white. Yes, oh, also including all the world become whitening and good good looking, mostly the cheaper one is from China, so sometimes, they're using that one, and then, the ingredients is not mentioned into the product, so it's become very dangerous. I have one student, so one student they buy from the products without any information, and then they give to me. How about you? How about your opinion? I said to my student, no, don't use this because I don't know what kind inside. But my student said, I already buy. I just try one. He tries, and then she went going home, and then he tries in the night because she must using in the morning, in the afternoon, and the night. Using in the night. Suddenly he's very shocked in the morning because it become red. Very red. Very red. And then he comes to me in my labo, and you can see my white, my face is become red. What should I do? And then I said, please take the traditional one, because I collecting the traditional cosmetic from the market, and then I asked her to use this one. This kind of, this one. This leaf, there is the traditional cosmetic from these leaves, from the West Kalimantan. I asked her to use that one. And then he put some water, and then mix with the cosmetic and put. After 30 minutes, it's become normal. And I said to her, you see, the traditional is better one sometimes with properly used, So at that time, you just throw away all the product. That's the experience of my student. Good question, thank you.
Okay, who wants to ask the next question?
Nama saya Keiko.
Keiko.
And I think you love honey.
Yes.
So I want to ask you, have you drink mead?
Milk?
Mead.
Meat.
Mead.
Oh, meat. Okay. Meat.
Mead.
Okay.
So
This
made from honey, alcohol made
Oh, okay.
of honey, and the mead is if you have mead is sour. And another question is January, February, March. In January, February, March, there are fruits.
Yes.
So why?
Okay, that's good question. Why? Okay. So you mean, Kiko, you mean I take some meals and drink this one? The first question. Meat. fermented alcohol. Oh, Brazil. Oh, Brazilian. Yeah. Oh, okay. Honey and put water. Okay. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Yeah. Uh, the water can be causing the fermentation in the honey. That's why it's important to reduce the water content to prevent the fermentation. Because when sugar inside the honey meet the water, it's become fermentation, right? Yeah, and then sometimes the temperature, for example, like 30, 35, bit high temperature, it's become fermentation is become very fast and producing alcohol. That's why I asking my farmer to after they harvest the honey and put into the refrigerator or the cold storage to prevent the fermentation in the honey if the water content is very high. Yes, the fermentation. Yeah, I drink it, but my friend give it to me. Yeah. Oh yes, yes, yes. Not with honey. Dayak people also have rice and also fruits. This one, maybe this one fruits. Okay, I will see this one. I went to West Kutai Kartanegara, so they using this kind of fruits. Yeah, this one. This is Bacorea. Bacorea, yeah, yeah, yeah. You took Bacorea, yeah. Bacorea fruits. They take the skin, the sweet one, and then they put into the. Okay, see you. Thank you. So they took the flesh one, Bacorea, the sweet one, and put into the pot and keep into the soil, put into the soil. They burn the soil, and then after some months, and then they take it. It's already fermented, become alcohol. Yeah. So they put into the jar, and then digging the soil and put. Yeah, that Bacorea. They told me they're using only Bacorea, but sometimes other like Kutai Kartanegara near the Idea Borneo, they're using this one, the durian flesh. They make alcohol, and then sometimes they make snacks, yeah, snacks from durian, yeah, fermented one, yeah, it's become delicious. Durian, we call dodol. Dodol is a snack from durian. Dodol durian. Yeah, good question. The second one is. Okay, why? Because mostly usually from December to February or March is the blooming season. Blooming season, flower season. So flower season is start from usually October or November, and then sometimes the January already fruit season. So yeah, you are very exact time, very good time, January and February. This is fruit season. Many fruits from the forest is come out. Yeah, Dayak people sell it. I can also, sometimes the people also sell red durian. Yes, red durian. It's very delicious also. Red durian. Okay, thank you, Kiko.
Okay, next question.
Nama saya Natsuki. Yeah, you said talk about vitamin. Yeah, you said 90% and 70% and 60%. You say, but uh, what is uh, yeah standard? What is 100%? What is 0%?
Okay. So when we check the antioxidant of the honey or other other extract, we usually compare with vitamin C. Vitamin C is very familiar, right? And very famous with high antioxidant. So I took the vitamin C and test the antioxidant. It's about 90 to 95%. The vitamin C, 100 ppm. 100 ppm vitamin C, the antioxidant, by using DPPH assay, so it's about 90 to 95%. So we run other sample, just comparison with the vitamin C. For example, this one, honey. We did the experiment, so the antioxidant is around about 60 to 90%, above the range. Yeah. So yeah, because honey, many kind of compound is inside, but vitamin C already ascorbic acid, one single compound. But this one, many compound inside, or around 200 compounds inside in honey. So we cannot judge which compound is the high antioxidant in honey, which one, until we found by using SPLC or something machine to check what kind of compound inside the honey. Yeah, we compare. Man. The 0%, the 0% is just blank. The solution of the antioxidant. We check this 0%, and then we mix the solution with with extract or with honey. So it will be, yeah, if antioxidant is high, it will be high. If no, just 10% or 30% or 5%. Oh, control, ne? Control. Control is 0%, ne? Control is 0%, the solution. Yeah, so no extract inside. Just yobay, ne? Just solution. That means it's just yes. Extract, yeah. Or honey, ne? Food honey. Yeah, that's I think that's one. So zero is a solution without anything. Yeah. Is there any question? Yeah. Thank you. That's a good question.
Anyone wants to ask?
Yeah. Yes.
It's the flower of coriander.
Okay, Kaliandra, flower of Kaliandra.
Coriander flower blooms throughout the year, or
Yes.
some season.
Some season, okay. Yeah. Kaliandra flower is blooming every season. That's why, yeah.
So you can use the flower for bee.
Yes.
Ah.
Now, I think very near here, so my student always, actually today they must collect the sample. Today, or not today. So, near this forest, there is a land is using by a mining company. After get the stop the mining company, so the owner of the land took it the land, and then they want to reclaim it, planting some plants for vegetation, for greening the land, because after mining. So the first reason, the owner put the Kaliandra. They want to get the wood of Kaliandra for pellet energy. Yeah, for energy. They want to sell to the Korea. Korea. Because the owner has about almost 15 hectares. So it's a huge area. So they want to plant it and then sell the pellet for barbecue in Korea. That's the first reason. They planted Kaliandra because very fast to grow. And then after growing around 3 meters, one of the staff asking, why? Let's try to put bee here. And then they try put the bee, stingless bee, colony. Just put some boxes, and then they try to see how about honey, how about the taste. And then after they taste, it's good taste, and then they come to me in the labo, and then I visit them, and then I try. This is very unique one and different taste with the itamane. I went to all the area here in North Kalimantan and East Kalimantan. Itama must be very sour and sweet. Sour, and after that is sweet. Just bit sweet. And when I come to Kaliandra honey, so I taste sweet and bit sour. So this is very interesting one. Different taste with the other itama in other location. So, and then I asked some student to check every day. Not every day, every month. Every month we take just one box, the special box. We asking to the owner, this box is, we want to do some experiment. So, yeah, we check that.
Sorry, Itama means Coriandra?
No, Itama is
Itama,
bee names.
Bee names,
Yeah, bee species. So, there is Itama, Puscobal, Teata, and other names of the species, bee species. Yeah, that's very interesting one. It's also the honey is very viscosity, not high water content. When we check the water content after we open the box, it's about 28, 29. But other places with the mixed trees is sometimes the tools cannot read the water content because it's very high. The tools is only 40%. We can measure. Sometimes the tools is 0 or error. It cannot read it because high content. Sometimes, yeah, almost 40%. Because in the forest the humidity is very high, right? So sometimes it's affected with the content of the honey, water in the honey. Okay, thank you very much.
Okay, anyone wants to ask again? Oh.
Nama saya Misaki.
Okay, Misaki.
I have a question about the mechanism of whitening.
Okay, mechanism of whitening.
Which is reduce the melanin?
Yes, reduce melanin.
Or the stop the creating melanin?
Not stop.
Not stop.
Yeah, not stop, but reducing. For example, one day they produce 100%. It will be reducing like 40%, 50%. Yeah, not stopping. Yeah.
Log the molecular of the melanin.
Sorry.
Destroy the molecular of the melanin.
Not destroy,
no?
but inhibit the growing. So, for example, this is melanin was 1, 2, 3, 5, right? So it wants to grow.
question?
Nama saya Akane.
Okay.
In Indonesia, is there traditional medicine made from wood?
Bark. Okay. Okay. In Indonesia, mix, yeah. Not only leaves or fruits, but sometimes is wood, sometimes also bark. Yeah. Like most of diet people, they sometimes they use bark for traditional medicine, or also wood sometimes. Yeah. Not always leaves or also from fruits. Big size or roots. Many many kind of barks. Yes, sometimes not only one species, but many kind of trees. Yeah, many kind of trees they have function. Sometimes, yeah. But in Dayak people, mostly the what do you call traditional healer. Traditional healer can say what's the traditional healer? Yeah. Yeah, traditional healer. Yeah. Yeah. Traditional healer in mostly in Dayak people, they don't have make what do you not right, ne? Sometimes after he die, so no one continue. Yeah, sometimes, yeah. But the good one, sometimes he give to his son or some relatives, ne? So yeah, usually there is some what do you call some compensation, some compensation. So if you want, I give you some. You must give something here to me. So I will give all the knowledge. Ne? So sometimes like that one. Yeah. Yes, look like doctor, ne? But using the traditional, yeah, healer. We call traditional healer, ne? Traditional healer, or modern one is doctor, ne? Yeah. Okay, you're welcome. Thank you very much. Good question. Is there any question? Okay. Yeah. If not, thank you very much for your attention, and also your response is very nice. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you, Bapak Enos, for the insightful explanation. I would like to inform you that the lunch break is on 12 p.m. until 2 p.m. The schedule is okay. First, let's take a picture together first. Okay, please come forward, guys. We are going to take a picture.